Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there in the description bar below this video. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So right here is a piece of paper that has a link for a PDF file for me to follow along to, showing me how to make the projects in the box. And let's see. We have some beautiful rondelles here. These are beautiful. I think it's a capri blue with either Picasso or travertine on the sides. I still have not been able to figure out the difference between Picasso and travertine. I want to say that travertine has more brown in it. I think these might actually be Picasso. But those are beautiful. Maybe they're not capri. I think it's actually Montana blue. I can go to the website though and put in that product code and it will tell me what it is if I want to reorder these. So I love those. And then we have some table cut beads. These are gorgeous. Those are really pretty. These have browns on the sides. Those are definitely gorgeous beads. Alright, and then is this a charm? No, it's a lever-back earring findings, which I've never seen this kind before. These are cool. Look at that. That's really cool. Okay, so there's a little catch right there. Now, lever-back earring findings, the kind that I've always had, that actually snaps. That is so cool. So, this, I guess, doesn't have a spring in the bottom of it. Let me see. No, it doesn't. It just is a catch there. That is so cool. I've never seen these before. So usually, lever back is shaped like a U right here, where it flips over, and there's just this. There's a spring right here, and it just closes shut. It doesn't actually snap shut, but that snaps closed. Those are neat. Those are pretty cool. Always seeing something new. I love it. What are these? Connectors. These are cool. So there's going to be earrings and maybe a necklace, I'm thinking. One time though, it was a bonus. I think it was for Christmas. They had a necklace, bracelet, and earrings. I think that was Christmas. These are really neat. I like those. Alright, and then we have Crimp Tubes, and then there is a ball head pin, which I usually have that as a decoration on the end of a necklace or bracelet, bead stringing wire, crimp covers, a lobster claw clasp, an 8mm split ring, and jump rings, oval jump rings, which are awesome. In case you've never tried oval jump rings, they really are better than round jump rings because it's oval and the opening is here, so whenever you have something connected to it, it's always going to be going in this direction because of the shape. So if you have like bead stringing wire that's going through here, it will not slip through this ring because the bead stringing wire is always going to be resting on these sides when there's tension, if that makes sense to you. Also, I have this one necklace that my mom had got for me from the Bahamas. It's strung on beads and it doesn't have a clamshell tip on it. It has a fold over type clasp where it's actually the piece I use a lot with leather. But anyways, it's shaped kind of like a square, okay, but it has three sides, and when you put your string material, you fold one side over and then the other side over. Anyways, it has a really thin, flat loop that the jump ring is connected to, and every time I wear that necklace it comes off, so I actually need to find split rings to put on it and fix it so I can wear it, because yeah, that happened. Or I can bend the jump ring into the shape of an oval jump ring, and that should stop it from happening. Yeah, I forgot about that piece. I should go do that, and I just reminded myself now. Alright, so here are some more. Oh my gosh, this color is so cool. Where'd the other one go? This one kind of looks milky. This is really pretty. By the way, I have used these beads before. They are a different color. These are table cut. The ones I used weren't table cut, but they were the same shape. I used these to weave a bracelet with chain. That was an awesome piece. They're really neat. I love these. It actually looks purple from that side there. Those are cool. Alright. So I love that color. Here's another one. All three of these are epic. This one's more whitish. Oh my gosh, actually, I think this one might be purple. Those are so pretty. I like those a lot. Okay, what's it? Is there two things in here? We have ball head pins, which I'm thinking might go to the earring findings. And then we have chain. Curb chain. Central chain. Alright, that's it. Alright, so here's everything I'm getting in this month's box. And I'm excited to see what the projects are going to be. I know that obviously one of them is going to be earrings, and I'm thinking this is probably going to be a necklace because there's a bunch of beads here that would probably make it up the length for a necklace. So I'm excited to play with them. I love these two. Those are gorgeous. Very unique, beautiful colors that I have not really seen before. And I can't wait to see what the project is going to be like. And remember, I will have a link for the BohemStyle monthly subscription down there in the description bar. And I have done several of these box openings already with the BohemStyle bead box. And if you're interested in this box, go back and look through my videos, because I have opened this box so many times and they have such a huge variety of beads that they send in the subscription, and the pieces are always unique and beautiful, and I've never been disappointed in this box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure that you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.